Lake Bacalar in Mexico, otherwise known as Laguna de Bacalar, is way in the south of Quintana Roo, near Chetumal and near the border of Belize. It's a beautiful lagoon area that looks like the Caribbean water and has long been popular with travelers that are independent and kind of on their own. And in here, you can go out on a boat, you can go kayaking, you can ride a bike around town. That's me on my last trip. Or you can just lounge around by the water or in the water. Until recently, it required a flight to Chetumal or a long drive from the Riviera Maya to get here. But now the Maya train connection to Bacalar is finally finished. So you can ride a train from Playa del Carmen, from the Cancun Airport, or even Merida to get to Lake Bacalar and return if you'd like. So it's much more convenient to get there now. And then when you get there, you've got three luxury hotels that I'm going to highlight here. Casa Hormiga was the first one to open, located right in the village, walking distance to restaurants and attractions. It's not right on the water, but it does have this beautiful swimming pool inside. You'll also enjoy good healthy food in the restaurant. There's a nice lounge, a spa, and a yoga area that is nice and spacious as well. This one does allow kids, and some rooms have a loft bedroom above, so it's a great one to put the whole family in because you can be in one room. You can see a detailed review of this on Luxury Latin America. Just search Hormiga, Hormiga. Next one up is Amainah Bacalar. This is a newer luxury hotel, adults only. It's got beautiful rooms, some with a plunge pool. It has a dock extending into the water, a swimming pool with a lounge area, a nice restaurant, and a place to get cocktails. Even a screening room here with beanbag chairs. Search Amainah to see a review. Next one up is Boca de Agua. For a real getaway from stressful modern life, this one on the water is set in the jungle and you feel like you're in a treehouse. Has great drinks, great food. You probably won't want to leave once you get there because it's a nice place for a chilled out vacation. Food's a real highlight, but you'll also have a good time just relaxing by the water. See Boca de Agua on the site for a full review.